Learn English with Miss Key. Yesterday I go to school. Yesterday I went to school. Which of them is correct? The second one. Hello friends. Today we are going to learn one of the most common mistakes in spoken English. Wrong tenses. Many students know vocabulary, but they speak sentences with the wrong tenses, and that changes the meaning of the sentence. So, let's learn the tenses today. Present tense used instead of the past tense. This is the mistake number 1 that we commonly make. Yesterday I go to school. Yesterday I went to school. Which of them is correct? The second one, of course. Yesterday I went to school. When the word yesterday is there, you will always use the past tense. Yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago. Always take the past tense with them. So, go becomes went. Right? Mistake number 2, past tense used instead of present tense in the daily habits. I ate breakfast every day. Wrong. I eat breakfast every day. This is the correct. The word every day is there. So, you will use the present tense with it, not the past tense. So, every day, always, usually and often take the present tense with them. So, always use the first form of the verb, that is eat. Now, wrong tenses and continuous form. This is another mistake that we commonly make. For example, she is play outside. Do you think this is correct? No. She is playing outside. This is correct. Right? Is playing. Is MR plus verb plus ing. If the action is happening now, you will always use the ing form. So play becomes playing. I am reading a book. He is watching TV. They are studying English now. So the ing form will be used because the action is happening now. Another mistake is wrong tense with the future time. Let's see. I go to Delhi tomorrow. This is wrong. Tomorrow is used. So will. We will make use of the word will. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. Tomorrow, next year, next week. Always take future tense with them. For example, I will call you tomorrow. She will join the class next week. We are going to travel next month. Will call, will join, are going. Right? Wrong tense with since or for. This is another common mistake that we usually make. Let's see. Since and for. Talk about the time duration. Present perfect continuous. I have been living here for 5 years. I have been teaching English for 5 years. She has lived here since 2020. We have been waiting since morning. Now, wrong tense in the reported speech is another mistake. Let's see what mistakes do we make here. He said that he is tired. This is wrong sentence, wrong English. When the reporting verb is past, the tense also become past. Is will become was, are will become were. He said that he was tired. Not is. You have to remember these small things. He said he was busy. She said she had a headache. They said they were late. Yes, you are using the past tenses here. If you like this video, Please like, share and subscribe and tell me in the comment section what tense mistake were you making. Follow for more such videos. Till then, bye bye and take good care of yourself.